Here's the sight reading for April 14th. This is Tuesday. We're going to look at number 9. You can also do a sight reading off of Sight Reading Factory or Smart Music if you would prefer to do that. So for number 9, we're going to start by looking at our key signature. If we're following stars, the first thing is key signature. And in this, we have no sharps, no flats. So we're in C major. And it stays that in C major through the whole piece. Okay, the next thing we're going to look at, the T in stars, is our time. And we are moderato, so kind of medium tempo. And then we start in 4/4 time. So 4 beats and the quarter note gets the beat. That lasts until A. At A, we change to 3/4. So 3 beats, quarter note gets the beat. So we just go from 1, 2, 3, 4 to 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Same tempo, we just change to only 3 beats. The next thing we'll look through for A are any accidentals. I don't see any in the top line here. I don't see any down here, and I don't see any on the last page, so no accidentals. That means these are all going to be F naturals and C naturals, so make sure, cellos and basses, you're using second finger for those C naturals, and for violins and violas, make sure you're using a low 2 for those C naturals and F naturals. All right, just be careful of those. The R in stars is for our rhythm, and let's just take a look really quick at our dotted quarter note here. So we're all kind of together, cellos and basses. If we played this in class, you would be holding through when they have that extra 8th note. But just by yourself here, we'll just take a look at the violin part up here. So it'd be 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. And then it kind of repeats that again in a couple spots. All right, so let's try just clapping on the violin line. Even if you're a cello or bass, let's try clapping the first few measures of this. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, here's measure 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2. All right. That is the rhythm that we have there. At A, cellos, violas, you just have steady quarter notes going there. Basses, notice you've got down, rest, down, up, rest, up, down, rest, down, up. So watch your bowing right there of doing 2 of the same bow in a row. We'll go over the bowings in the other sections in a minute. And then for the B section, you're still continuing that basses, and cellos, you're joining them. So it's down, rest, down, up, down, rest, down, up. I'm not sure why they didn't write the bowing in for you, but I would like you cellos to try that same bowing that the basses are doing, okay? And then violins, you've got some 8th notes up here at the top. So if we were really listening to them down here going 1, 2, 3, you want to be feeling that beat before it starts for you guys. And then you'd have 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3. Okay, and it continues like that to the end. Our bowing, we'll start by looking at this bowing, is going to be down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Retake to another down. Okay, so it just changes every measure. It'll be a down, and then an up, and then a down, and then an up. Okay, looking back at A for cellos and violas, you're going to have it different every measure too. Down, and then up, down, up, down, up, down. Retake to a down bow. Okay, so just make sure you're careful of these retakes in here. The last bowing I wanted to look at was here at the beginning. So for you guys, you're going to have down, up for 4 beats, down, up, down. Okay, so it's as it comes. That's a little bit tricky with these 8th notes because they're going to be very short compared to this, right? So you'll need to use a heavy and slow bow for this, and then a fast and light bow for this to be able to even out that uneven bow distribution. Cellos and basses also as it comes. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, once you get through those first 4 measures, notice we've got a retake for everybody, and we'll do a down bow and then another down bow here. This whole part, again, kind of as it comes till we get to that. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. So that's weird, right? Because we have up bow for 2 and then down, down, up. One last thing is this articulation. Those lines are legato, so that means you're going to try to really connect those in. So I would recommend trying this bowing right here just in the air a couple times, or even on an open D, just to really get a feel for how that should go. All right, I hope that was helpful. Have a good sight reading.